Look at that. This lace was very thin, which is what I love because it really helps the lace melt like right into your skin. So look at this. Okay, y'all, so we have on the unit. Let's check out the lace. Look at that. This lace was very thin, which is what I love because it really helps the lace melt like right into your skin. So look at this. Like, it looks so good. Let me just spray some of my setting spray on my head because I did my makeup while I was melting. And this unit, of course, can be worn glueless. I'm not wearing any glue, and this is not a full lace. This lace stops right here, like from here to here. It's a 7 by 5, I think. So it's not a full lace. Okay, so am I in the middle? Because y'all already know, like, I have an issue with keeping his hair in the middle. Okay, really simple, but I am very impressed with this lace. Like, that's like a very important part. Like, if you could get some good lace, everything else will fall in place. I love this lace. Like, and then pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about plucking it. I love it. So y'all know this unit came with the barrel curls. What I think I'm gonna start doing when I get these units, when they have the barrel curls, if you don't want them to fall, you can just kind of roll them up like this, right? Just roll them and clamp them up while you're getting ready. Y'all get the idea, because I can't clamp it today, but y'all get the idea. That'll be something that you can do if you don't, you know, want your curls to fall. But this is how it looks, and let's just finger comb this so we don't have to do too much to this unit. And the bang is like nothing is trimmed for you. So if you want to cut bangs in it, you can. I'm not going to, but if you wanted to, you could. Look at that. I just love these curls. So pretty. Big, bouncy curls. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's see how we can style this. Because I'm going to just keep it just like it is. This is straight out of the box. You don't have to do much. Like, look how easy that was. If you're not good at curling like me, it's already done for you. Just finger comb it. Try to get your curls in the same direction that they curled your unit. And voila. Look how easy that was. You have your adjustable straps in the back, so your unit will not go anywhere. You have your breathable cap. Keep the unit from being too hot. And this is how it looks in the back. Really pretty. Really simple and easy unit. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Nadula.